JLT, what they call a Buddy System clamp. It's two machines in one. There's a door clamp on one side, pneumatic door clamp, and on the other side is their 8-foot panel clamp. You do have 18 40-inch capacity clamps, and you have the you can have as many as 5 different layers of clamps in any combination of the 18, and of course more clamps are available to purchase. The pneumatic door clamp on the front, the capacity is 26 inches wide by 62 inches long. Okay, I've got the air hooked up. What will happen is, if the stiles and the rails are accurately cut to size, the cycling will be, it'll first push the top and the bottom together, flush up the stiles and rails, and then half a second later, the side pressure is applied. This frame is square, so in that sequence, you end up with a perfectly square door. So, if you'll notice, that clamp will close just slightly ahead of your side clamps. These are set. And of course, these will be adjustable to any width that you want. It's a very nice and efficient machine in that you have 2 complete operations within the footprint of either one of the machines if you bought them separately.